Hello students, this is Miss Mills. I'm here to read for you today the words for Syllables and Affixes Sort 39. So hopefully you've worked with these words a lot and you're comfortable with how they're spelled and the spelling pattern they belong to. Before we get started, as always, please set up your page. If you're using a spreadsheet, make sure it's very clear what your heading and your sample word are. As well as if you're writing this on paper, make sure it's very clear what your headings are. So the first heading are words that end in CE that make the S sound, like notice. The second heading ends in double S, making the S sound as well, as in recess. The next category ends in G. No, it doesn't always end in GE. My mistake. It has a GE that makes a J sound, a soft G. J, as in budget. Budget. Okay. The last category has AGE, and it makes an IJ sound, like bandage, right? So those are our four categories. Once you have your heading set up, you can continue to play this video to hear me read your 24 words for you to spell and put in the correct category. Number 1, package. I could not wait for my package to be delivered in the mail. Package. Number 2, science. I've always been fascinated with science. Science. 3, princess. I know lots of little girls who want to be a princess when they grow up. Princess. 4, message. I tried to send a message using a secret code. Message. 5, compass. I'm glad I brought my compass, otherwise we would have gotten lost. Compass. 6, actress. I am an actress, but I've only been in local productions. Actress. 7, address, or address. Spelled the same. What is your address? I'd like to mail you a gift. Or, please look at me when I address you. Address. Or address. Again, same word. Number 7. Word number 8. Garbage. Please take out the garbage. It is starting to smell bad. Garbage. Number 9. Gadget. For Christmas, I got a gadget that will play a movie while I'm brushing my teeth. Gadget. Number 10, village. I loved hiking to each village in Cinque Terre, Italy. Village. 11, possess. I want to possess 100 pennies just so I can feel the weight of a dollar in cents. Possess. Number 12, fidget. I can't sit still. Please just let me fidget. Fidget. Number 13, surgeon. It's important to work with a surgeon that you can trust. Surgeon. 14, arrange. Arrange these decimals from least to greatest. Arrange. 15, distance. The furthest distance I've run is a half marathon. Distance. 16, challenge. It was a big challenge to run that far. challenge. 17, police. I would like to be in the police force when I grow up. Police. 18, office. One of my first jobs was answering phones in an office. Office. 19, manage. I'm going to have to make a to-do list to help me manage all of the things on my plate. Manage. 20, express. It's hard to find the words to express exactly how I feel right now. Express. 21, sentence. The judge pronounced his sentence at the end of the trial. Sentence. 22, practice. It's important to practice if you want to improve. Practice. 23, luggage. I can't wait to use my new luggage on our upcoming trip. Luggage. 24, courage. It takes a lot of courage to try something new. Courage. All right, that is all 24 words. Again, please count your words before you turn this in. Make sure you have all 24 accounted for. If you don't, go back, rewind, or just click the little progress bar to see which ones you've missed. And once you've looked it over, you can turn it in and get it checked. Good luck, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.